guys, sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been so busy getting ready for school. Also with my son, he wasn't feeling well, and I also broke my phone, so I couldn't record. Sorry I haven't been uploading, but I did this video and I finally had the time to edit it, and it was just a protective towel really for the summer, just to take my hair away because it was very humid and my hair was not cooperating with me. So I ended up doing these protective towels just to the end of the summer, and I used three packs of Molly hair that I had from my full locks. When I did them, I had some leftovers, so I just used that. It was, I think, 2 packs of the Cuban twist and 1 pack of the Jamaican twist, and they were both the same color really. It's just that the Jamaican twist didn't have black, like where I would start the braids, like at the roots, as you can see right here. The Jamaican twist didn't have that, but it worked out fine anyways. So I did my hair pretty big actually, because I used the rubber band method, and even though my hair is short, I was able to use a crochet needle, just pull it through with a crochet hook and start twisting right then and there, because my hair is short. So I didn't want to take the, like, I didn't want to do the braids at the roots and then twist, just because my hair is so short and I didn't want the twist to just come out of my hair, since my hair is really short. If the hair was like, the Molly hair was actually braided into my hair, it would have been fine. My hair would have been long enough for that. But since it's the rubber band method that's in there, yeah, I think it would have come off loose. So that's why I used a crochet hook to just pull the hair through, and I just kept twisting. So when I do my twist, to do a rope twist, like I see right here how I just twisted it with 2 fingers, and like I roll it and then I twist, roll it, then I twist the two, like roll it, then I twist. Like 8 out of 10 times, I'm mostly using my index and my thumb finger, because they're the two that like helps me roll it then twist, roll then twist. And even though I'm like rolling it, I'm twisting with the other, roll with the one, then just twist. And I also tuck my hair in, just so my hair doesn't pop out of the Molly hair. So I twisted the ends of my hair. I use jam just to slick it down a little more, since I have 4C hair, so I just use that. And I also used the oil mixture just so my hair could be moisturized. So when I in my oil mix, I have Jamaican black castor oil, Haitian castor oil, I believe vitamin E oil, and sweet almond oil. But I'll leave it down in the description box anyways, just because I don't remember if that's all the oils that's in it, but I'll make sure to double check. And that's pretty much what I did. Like, your parting doesn't necessarily have to be like clean if you were to try this, just because like really it's big twist, like, but I try to do my twist, like my part, as neat as I possibly could. But I didn't have 2 mirrors, so I only used one, so I don't really know, like, I don't really care how the back looks, but it was pretty clean when I checked it out. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with my hair, and that's my son right here. Is like what now? About that time, he was about 13 months, and he just woke up, so I had to go and get him. He's a little grumpy when he wakes up, but that's my son. Just wanted to let you guys know. You see, thank you guys for watching. Bye.